Architecture in general has its importance, especially because our cultural memory is built up on it. We are always relating to objects, so we remember the house where we were born and grown up, and it has a meaning which goes way beyond if this house is very beautiful or important for architectural history or not. This is nothing more than culture in itself. If we come to the content of the museum, it's exactly the same. We think that these paintings, they are important, and therefore we want to keep them and we want to preserve them because they relate us to the past, but it also projects us to the future. We get a kind of connection to future generations we will never know. It's like seeding a plant of hope. And I think this is the most important thing about architecture. It should rest as long as a society wants to. From the moment when architecture was born, something like 6,000 years ago, I think it's always the same approach. It's always measure-made on the situation, on the location, on the country where it is. Just if we think of the problem of the old Vestbanen building and the need to express itself of the new National Museum. These two conflicting things, and then if we add to that the big scale jump from the Rathaus towards the Vestbanen building, to resolve all these things, it was necessary to have a special solution. The challenge, how can the National Museum represent itself with dignity towards this space, and can actually, it has also the duty to contribute to this space. I don't like too much the bird's eye view, because I think architects generally think too much with this bird's eye view. I think it's much more important if you think as a pedestrian. How do you arrive with a boat from Nesodden? How do you walk when you come from Nasjonalmuseum and you go to Akkerbrücke or the other direction? It should create a space which is worth to be there. It's a fantastic place.